Hi, this is Shirley from Shirley's World Vlog. I'm a reseller on eBay and Poshmark, and I'm going to try to come on every day, or every day that I actually sell something, and show you what I sold, and pack it up and ship it out, or get it ready to ship. Today is the 5th of March. It's Wednesday. I've sold one thing. And by the way, happy birthday to my granddaughter. Today's her birthday. So let me show you what I sold, and I'll tilt the camera down and pack it up for you. I sold a Hollister super skinny white denim pair of jeans. They're all cotton, but they're a junior size and they're a 9 long. Now, white is okay because summer's coming sooner or later. But junior sizes are very hard for me to sell. They always have been. And these are very a small size 9. And they're skinny, super skinny. So I was glad that they sold. I sold them for a best offer of $15. So let me tilt the camera down here and I will show you me packing them up. These, by the way, sold on Poshmark. So they go on any priority shipping. You can put them in this Tyvek envelope, or I could put them in a bubble envelope. Sometimes I use these for jeans, but I think this one, well, they'll fit good in a bed. I think I'll use the bubble envelope. So I have my mailing slip here. And I'll stick this on the envelope first. They're going to Colbert, Oklahoma. I'm going to put a thank you sticker on the back. And put them into the envelope. You can get a lot of things, a lot of size in this bubble envelope. They're very kind of stretchy, but I've gotten great big men's size jeans in here. So you can get a lot of things in this envelope. The bubble envelope is this padded flat rate envelope. I even use it for eBay sometimes with jeans, and it depends. Mostly I use the Ground Advantage now. But when I used to do a lot of more priority, I used to use this a lot for jeans. So that will go, let me tilt you back up here. That will go in my bin to go out to the mail tomorrow. I was sort of waiting, hoping I'd get another sale so we could do at least 2 things. But I will be back on tomorrow, and if I sell something, and do my packing and shipping with you. Yeah, somebody asked about what label label printer I use. I have the Dymo label maker XL, I think it is. Let me tilt this more. The 4X. Let me go over here and see. Label maker. Yeah, it's the Dymo label maker 4XL. That's what I use. It's a thermal printer. It just prints labels, and I love it. It's fast, and I get I don't get the Dymo labels. because they're very expensive. I get an off-brand of labels, which they say, oh, you can't do that, it won't work. Well, they do work. So I get a box of rolls of labels. And there's a lot of labels in this big box. There's maybe 10 rolls, maybe more, and it's $40 some. But it's a lot of labels that last you a long time. So I get an off-brand of labels, and I can't think of the name of them right now. But I don't use the Dymo labels because they're very expensive. So that's about all I have for you today. It was very warm and very windy today. It rained. We had sunshine, we had rain, we had cloudiness, we had lots of wind, and now it's supposed to drop in temperature, and we're actually supposed to get snow tonight. For 2 days, 2 to 3 days, it's supposed to be cold, and then it's going back up into the 50s again. So that's what it's like here in March and April with spring coming on. So I hope I will be back tomorrow to show you something that I sold. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.